I'm a bit slept on like a mattress. Therapeutic therapy for.
I swear to God, I hate to hear you niggas talking, running your mouth like a pair of bitches way too often. There's a new leader in office, made a new seat for my boss, bitch. Her name is Cash Money. Investing in slow, but wanting fast money, wanting in the dash. You just a crash dummy, yeah, bitch. You can't blame me, I'm just American dreaming. Society never tried to help me, so it's nowhere that I can be lenient. Especially when niggas try to take advantage. Don't tell whether I got these demons. I'm scheming on exorcism. If we collide out of time, if you survive the collision, this isn't a fucking game. This isn't 2K. And if it was, I would be Laker Shaq. Could you stop me going to the rack? Doubt it, no way. I'm go perspiring niggas out of my way. All this bullshit is ending today. Calling my phone will get you that tone. Or I just might break down, pick up and say, use a bitch. You should see so clearly I do this shit, but the fire burns in me to keep proving it. Plus of these SEO rappers are losing it, damn. That's a sad sight. Someone read their last rites. Feel like I was a king in my past life, so take this downtown, I get this cash right. Always said that I would rise to the occasion. Got a fetish for them thick and freaky Asians. Nice ass and bad faces. We can't give them relations, and I can't fuck with Tyler Perry, cause we don't give in to temptations. Downtown, talking all of that bullshit. Fuck out my face. That's gonna get you downtones.
What's happening? Forgive me, I'm not abstinent. Judge me like you haven't sinned. Dick, you can eat a bag of them. Whack ass rap is falling out. While I backpack that Spalding route, I make sure that my cell be off in case that cat wanna call me out. Pockets flat, copy that. My attitude is falling out. Making bitches pay for dick. For just 3 stacks, I walk it out. Most these niggas try to stick with me and end up stalling out. Facebook G's be talking. We call that Stephen Hawking. I let them know I foresee all them bitches and them hoes be crowded round me while I'm flossing my whip on some 100 Aussies. I'm about action, I'm no jogging. Girls be ratchet, they be talking like I'm acting like I'm corny. I ain't acting for applauding, but your hips fat and bodacious. Your jeans gift wrapping those places, so I sit back and I'm patient, cause your kitty cats are no aces. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it.
Always said that I would rise to the occasion. Got a fetish for them thick and freaky Asians. Nice ass and bad faces. We can't give them relations, and I can't fuck with Tyler Perry, cause we don't give in to temptations. Downtown, talking all of that bullshit.
Yeah.
Fuck out my face. That's gonna get you downtown.
Check. I'm a lyrical animal. Man, I strangle tracks in the band and flows, but no, I am not a Neanderthal. I'ma show y'all niggas how to handle those. Man, I savage. Any nigga that spittin' shit average. He ain't too many nigga that want beef. I kill him off, motherfucker miscarriage. I'm dead wrong. Man, the old Nat's been dead and gone, but the new one got plenty of flows. Catching everything, nigga, like I'm Randy Moss. I'm a CEO, that's behind the boss. Like Rihanna boss. Yeah, I'm talking Jay-Z, only thing's missing my lady. And she look like Rihanna, nice features before her. With a bubble behind her, and she swagged out like Rita Ora. Man, damn, I adore her, but I need her. Where she at, gotta see her. Man, back to reality or actuality. Man, I'm abusing this beat. I'm abusing this beat like a brutality. Where's the humanity? Mean the humility. Hold the humanity. Man, I'm pleading insanity. Oh, ain't it clear to see that a nigga like me just want the spec he deserves? Ain't a woman with curves. Is that so much to ask for? Man, fuck getting fly. Man, I'm past y'all little rascals.
Always said that I would rise to the occasion. Got a fetish for them thick and freaky Asians. Nice ass and bad faces. We can't give them.
The clerk looked at me, then I looked back at him. Then he looked back at me, then I looked back at him. Then I just got the craziest idea. I just said, "Rob this motherfucker, give me your money, nigga."